Introducing the Irrisept Wound Solution Kit. Irrisept antimicrobial wound lavage is an alternative to traditional irrigation. Offering safety, performance, and ease of use, Irrisept has become a new standard of care for wound irrigation in facilities across the U.S. Irrisept is intended for mechanical cleansing and removal of debris, dirt, and foreign materials, including microorganisms, from wounds. Irrisept harnesses the power of chlorhexidine gluconate, CHG, as a preservative to offer broad-spectrum activity against various microorganisms in the bottled solution. Irrisept is formulated with 0.05% CHG in 99.95% sterile water for irrigation, USP. Irrisept boasts an impressive safety profile, featuring extensive biocompatibility testing, including in vivo and in vitro studies and RCT data. Irrisept can be used for all types of wounds. The self-contained bottle does not require mixing or diluting, and can be delivered to the wound site through various methods, including spikeable installation connections for application with powered irrigation devices. The wound solution kit includes one 450 milliliter bottle of Irrisept antimicrobial wound lavage, one convenience cap, one spikeable cap, 2 bottle hangers. The Irrisept wound solution kit can be easily set up. Start by removing the contents from the box. To open the bottle, place the white convenience cap on the bottle. Grasp the cap firmly and twist quickly in only one direction until the bottle top snaps off. Discard cap and bottle top. Attach spikeable cap to the opened Irrisept bottle by threading until secure. Slide hanger over the top of the bottle, advancing past the 200 milliliter mark until secure. Invert and hang Irrisept bottle. Remove tab of spikeable cap by twisting in one direction until fully separated. Discard tab. Note: Irrisept Wound Solution Kit must be connected with a standard vented tubing set or accessory. Ensure vent is open. Attached to powered irrigation device. Refer to the powered irrigation device directions for connection and use instructions. Direct stream into wound, ensuring complete coverage. Wait for approximately 1 minute. Rinse with normal saline for irrigation. Discard any unused solution. Single patient use only. This irrigation device is intended for use by healthcare professionals only. Warnings and cautions are provided and listed as part of product labeling. Irrisept is available in a variety of configurations to meet your clinical needs. To learn more about Irrisept antimicrobial wound lavage, the Irrisept Wound Solution Kit, or to view the full portfolio, visit www.irrisept.com.